Welcome back to my channels. So today we will learn about array. So maybe some of you already familiar with the array. So okay, it's an array. So previously maybe you already learned like just saying if I would like to initialize integer, sorry, uh, just saying integer number equals to 5, right? So it means this variable's number only contain one number only, right? So what happen if you would like to have like more than one numbers? So that's why you will need array. So if you would like to initialize array of integer, so you're gonna have like integer numbers, okay, equals to, maybe you could say 5. Okay, you could do something like this. So you could initialize like, so you could have like your numbers, yeah. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is your numbers, right? So if you initialize this 5, it means it in the array you're gonna have like 5 space. Okay, something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in order to access the value of the array, it is always starting from the index 0. Okay, that's your index. So just saying, if you would like to access the value 3, so you're gonna have something like this. So just saying, if you would like to print, yeah, if you would like to print uh, index number 2, so numbers index number 2, so you're gonna have the output 3. Okay, if you would like to access index 0, then the same, 1. Okay, and the same if you would like to access the index 4, you're gonna have 5. Okay, that's your index. Got it? It's the same apply if you have the characters. Okay, character, maybe you could say alpha equals to a, yeah, something like this. Okay, because it's a character, you could only maintain only one characters, right? But if you would like to have a word, so it means like more than one characters, so you need to have array of character. Okay, okay, just saying something like this. Henry. Okay, so you need to know because it's a character, so you only have single quotations. But it is a word, then you need to have a double quotations, right? So Henry, it's always starting from index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so if you would like to print just saying what is the character of index number 2 or index number 3, okay, so you could just saying word index 3, it will print out R, right? So word index number 1, it will print out A. Okay, that's the array of character. Okay, so that's the basic idea how to the concept of the array, right? But before we going further do, we need to know the array itself. You need to know how to initialize, yeah. So first you have already integer numbers, yeah, we will use our previous one. Okay, so if you would like to initialize the numbers, then it's just really straightforward. Numbers 0 equals to, just saying if you would like to set this one equals to 3, it's okay as well. Yeah, you could do as well. Yeah, you could do this as well. This is how you initialize your array. Okay, the same apply if you would like to initialize your array of character as well. Okay, previously I used char word. If you would like to access it one by one, then you could do that as well. Yeah, word 0 equals to, sorry, it's a single quotation. Yeah, you could do this one, or you could just specify like something like this one before, double quotation and 100. Okay, that's how do you initialize on each index. Okay, so I could say this one is the, this is how you initialize, and this is the concept, the idea. Okay, okay, so you already know that ours, like all of this one is a one dimension array. Okay, this all one dimension array. So it means when you have the numbers equals to, just saying if you have 2 4 6 8, oops, forget to put the, okay, something like this. So there's a program asking you to write, you are asking to write a program to print all the value inside the index. So what you need to do is try to loop on each index. So this is your index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, Next for, I assuming that you already know what is looping for. If you haven't learned about the looping, so please try to check my previous video. Okay, so you start to loop from index 0, you print 0, and do the increment, try to loop again, print index 1, try to loop again, print index 2, try to loop again, print index 3, try to loop again, print index 4. That's how you try to print. Yeah, that's how you print the value inside the array of integer. And it is also the same if you would like to print one by one for the array of character. It's the same. Okay, so this is the output. How to get the output. Okay, this is how you to get the output. I think that's all for the idea to implement the concept, yeah, the concept of the 1D array. In the next video, you're gonna see how to implement in the codes, and in the next coming video as well, you're gonna see there is more. Yeah, there are more than the 1D array. You're gonna have like 2-dimension array as well. Okay, then until then, and see you in the next video.